March 16th, and for the first time since I've been here today, I have not been to the school. I've only been to eat lunch. Went to eat lunch at 1:30 with the Tolstads, and then I came back up here. And I've been hiding out in my room, as for the Tolstad said. He said I was hiding. Because I've been going for like 20 days, and
speeding train, cut my hair and changed my name. Only had myself to blame for the company I was keeping.
okay, so we're headed to Soroti or something like that. I don't know. And we stopped to take a bathroom break. I have no idea what just happened. There's a hole in the ground, but it was like a toilet. Oops. It was like a toilet, but it was not a toilet. And I tried to flush it with the toilet flush bolt, the buttons, but it didn't flush, and so I'm just kind of tripped out about it. But okay, here comes Tony and Brother Tolstad about to keep going. That was very interesting. Tony, can you tell me again the list of places like that we've come through and where we are?
From Jinja. From Kampala.
You can tell me from Kampala.
From Kampala, Wayogelele, from Bleka, Seta, Mukono,
Okay, so now this is Uganda.
So I started in the city, 'cause all I stole from my father, all I thought I could sell, tossed his copper and I watched as it fell. But there wasn't any water in the wishing well. My soul made it all.
Okay. Okay.
This one, let me get a pin or two.
soap, towel, TP,
Okay.
everything is there.
Yes, I'll just get a pin or two here.
Okay.
Just go to the center and here.
We are ready to start. You need to start beating the drum. Call everyone back.
We are still in the presence of the Lord, worshiping Him. We want to go now with more strength.
Let's speed.
And we want to make it in a speed.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
I surrender everything I once held on to. So come down, come down. I'm waiting for the day when we will see you.
It is Thursday night and I'm about to do my hair and I'm hot. I'm very, very hot. So I have my window open and my door open. And I don't care who sees my hair because it's hot. And they don't have fans here. And so I'm just taking the risk. Leave my windows open tonight. I'm gonna close my curtain maybe. Anyways, it's been a good day. In Soroti, I had over 100 kids in my Sunday school class, which actually ended up being like a crayon riot, but it's okay. I don't really know if they learned anything about Jesus, but maybe they just had a good day because they got the colors, so I don't know. Anyway, it's been a good day. I just ate goat for the first time. So, yeah, it really has been a good day. So I give God praise and thanks for that and for this wind, seriously. And I pray that it rains. I really need to ask God and really pray for rain. But it's Friday morning. We're at the Spacenet Guest House and Restaurant. And this is where we're staying for a few days. Brother Mike and Brother Tony. The Tolstad our meeting before we leave. So the word got out that we have crayons, and over 100, probably 150 kids, I can't count them all, have showed up. So I'm about to give them yesterday's lesson and then continue. So we will see. He told me he wants to color. Yes, leaving Omogoro Church. Goodbye. I was not recording. I'm disappointed in myself.
Yeah, because these churches, it's already falling down. Okay, when you come in, you duck, but you don't stand up till you get back inside because it's full.
Okay.
You hit your head. This is Pastor Apenu William.
Oh, nice to meet you. God bless you.
Sister
Praise
Christine.
Okay.
She's Ateso.
Okay.
Eh? Ngada geunen ene. Ayo geunen.
Hello, lady, hello, Kisila, Yatwa, Katubo, Samelo Sorit, Samelo Yare, Kabakalu Sorit, Kabakalu Yare, Sirkilo Sorit, Sirkilo Yare, Esera, Nekemia, Esita, Yobu, Sabuli, Waragacha, Kalmunokina, Ekoso, Isaya, Yeremia,
Since October?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can see it. Yes.
Trying pretty good now.
Mm-hmm.
I've been teaching about today. Let it rain.
Elia. Elia today or Bro today.
Can I let down my window? Yeah. They're singing.
I surrender everything I once held on to. So come down, come down. I'm waiting for the day when we will see you.
I think this is yours.